Don't you just hate this stupid fucking activate your Windows watermark just stuck on your fucking monitor? Well, don't feel bad, man, because I have been in that boat as well, and I'm going to teach you guys how to get rid of that piece of shit by just downloading this little file that I have put down in the description called oneclick.bat. Whoever created this file, I congratulate you 100% because that file is amazing. It activates your Windows without doing anything. All you have to do is download it, put it on your desktop or your fucking downloads folder, right click it, click run as administrator, and let it do its thing. It'll automatically activate your Windows no matter whichever one you're on. Whatever fake one, real one, legit, whatever fuck, you know what I'm saying? It might say the connection to KMS server failed, trying to connect to another one. Just keep waiting. Just keep waiting. And then look right here, product activated successfully. Would you like to visit his blog or her blog? And click yes or no. So I'll just click no, and then boom, you're done. You are literally activated. All you have to do is just, go to your computer information and see which one you're on. See, I got Windows 10 Enterprise. Oh yeah, that's it. Comment, rate, subscribe, boys, and until next time, peace out.